As business owners, we deal with stress, pressure, overthinking, and way too many decisions every single day. I found something simple that helped me stay focused, sleep better, and control my mind instead of letting stress control me. And that thing is Sauna. Now, before you think this is just relax time, let me tell you, Sauna is one of the best performance tools for business owners. It looks like recovery, but it works like a cheat code for your brain. And yes, I'm speaking from real experience. I actually have a dry hand sauna at home, and I use it around 4 or 5 times per week. And believe me, the sleep after a sauna session, amazing. And the feeling in your head like someone cleaned your mind with a pressure washer. As business owners, we carry a lot in our head every day. Decisions, problems, tasks, stress, and sauna helps clean my mind. After a session, everything feels lighter and easier to handle. So let's jump into why sauna can boost your performance more than another coffee or another productivity trick. Hit stress and peak mental performance. The first big idea is what I call good stress. In science, it's called hormesis, but don't worry, this is the most difficult word you will hear today. So hormesis basically means when your body gets a small challenge, it comes back stronger. Like training your muscles, but with heat. When you sit in a sauna, your body thinks, okay, this is hot, we need to focus, stay alert, stay sharp. And because of that, your brain starts producing more noradrenaline and dopamine. Noradrenaline gives you focus, dopamine gives you motivation. And when these two go up, your productivity goes up too. After a sauna session, you feel like more awake, more driven, more ready to work. It's like hitting a small reset and boost button on your brain. I feel this every time. Sometimes I go into the sauna tired, with no energy, thinking about work problems, and after 15 minutes, I come out feeling like I just rebooted my brain into a better version. It's weird how something so simple can make you think so clearly. Sauna as a stress reset for entrepreneurs. Let's be honest. If you run a business, stress is your daily friend. Not a good friend, more like that one guy who keeps calling you at 3 a.m. with problems. So sauna helps with that in a very physical way. When you stay in the heat, your body reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. Your muscles relax, your breathing slows down, your head finally stops spinning. For me, sauna is the fastest way to unlock my brain after a long day. I sit there, sweat pouring down, and suddenly all the problems that feel huge start feeling smaller. I can think again, I can see things more clearly, I react less emotionally and make decisions with a calm head. And in business, clarity is everything. So calm mind, better choices, more money. So sauna basically gives you that CEO clarity mode without needing a meditation retreat. Sleep optimization and next day performance. This is a big one. People underestimate how much good sleep affects your success. Sauna helps you sleep deeper, not just longer but deeper, the kind of sleep where your brain actually restores itself. When you hit that deep sleep, you wake up with more creativity, more energy, and you solve problems faster. I noticed the difference immediately when I started using sauna regularly. The nights after sauna, I sleep like a baby, and the next day I feel fresh, not slow and tired. So if you are running a business, this is gold. You can be a leader if you are half asleep all the time. So for entrepreneurs who work long hours, travel, stress, think too much, sauna can be a natural way to switch off and get real recovery. Willpower training through heat. Now let's talk about something you don't hear often. Sauna actually trains your willpower. When you sit inside and it gets really hot, there is always one moment when your brain says, okay, I'm done, let's get out. So you have to decide, do I leave now or do I stay a little longer? That small moment builds discipline, because every time you stay, every time you push a bit more, you train your mind to stay strong under pressure. And this transfers directly into business. Running a company is basically one big discipline challenge. You need to do things you don't always feel like doing: sales calls, hard conversations, numbers, planning, fixing problems. So sauna is like a small workout for your mental strength. If you can stay in 90 degrees for a few extra minutes, then sending one more offer, finishing one more task feels much easier. So this is one of the reasons I love using my sauna 4 or 5 times a week. It keeps my head strong and steady even when business gets stressful or chaotic. My simple performance sauna protocol. If you want to try sauna as a tool, not just as relaxation, here is a simple protocol that works great for me and many high performers. Step 1, 10 to 15 minutes in the sauna. Not too short, not too long, enough to get your heart rate up and get the mental reset. Step 2, 2 to 5 minutes cold exposure. You don't need an ice bath. Cold shower is fine. This wakes your body up and gives you that fresh and clean feeling in your mind. And what's cool is that cool exposure can increase noradrenaline by 2 to 300%, so your focus and energy go way up. Even a short cold shower can boost your metabolism by over 300%, so your body wakes up fast. So you can repeat step 1 and step 2 for 2 or 3 rounds total. This makes the whole session stronger and gives even better results for your mind and body. Step 3, 10 minutes of simple chill time without your phone. Just sit, breathe, and let your body calm down. No scrolling, no notifications, no stress. This quiet moment after sauna is when your mind feels the cleanest and most relaxed. It's a great time to just think, reflect, or just simply enjoy that calm feeling. If you do this routine 2 or 3 times per week, you will feel results very fast. More energy, more discipline, better sleep, better mood. And what I like the most, that feeling of mental space. No overthinking, no stress building up inside. As business owners, our head is our main tool, and sauna helps keep that tool sharp. Okay, so final thoughts. Sauna is not just a warm box where you relax. It's a real performance tool for entrepreneurs. It boosts your focus and motivation, lowers stress, improves sleep, builds discipline, and helps you think clearly. I've been using it for around 2 years now, and honestly, I can't imagine my week without it anymore. When my mind gets heavy from business, sauna is the best way to reset, breathe, and come back stronger. So if you are a business owner and want to upgrade your performance, try sauna. It's simple, natural, and the results are crazy good. So it's all. Thanks for watching. I'm Jacob, and if this video felt useful for your business or your mindset, you can subscribe if you want to grow. So see you in the next one.